How to watch live Premier League games on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily watch any Premier League matches live on your device. So first thing first, simply head over to any of your browser, and inside of your browser simply click on the search icon, and you can see what I searched on the search icon. You can see Quickify TV APK. So what you need to do is simply search the Quickify TV APK download like this on your search bar of your browser, and once you do that, simply click on the first link, which is quickifytv.org, and you can simply download it from here. Once you download it from here, you can simply install it, and after you easily install it, there should be no problem. You simply head over to your Quickify application like this, as you can see here. Once you're inside here, you can see all the live games, whether it is cricket or football. So since we are talking about Premier League, as you can see, there's a Premier League option here over here, and Liverpool v Manchester United live. You can simply click on it and click on any of the server and watch the ad for 1 second. Probably hit the back button, and as you can see,
Bruno Fernandes for Manchester United.
so that's exactly how you can easily see the match of the Premier League live on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.